Suppose we have this set of numbers, where ones are added and subtracted forever. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, and this just continues. What if I told you that this sequence had 3 possible sums? I know, it seems absurd. One way to look at this sequence of numbers is to group them like this, with each positive one paired with a negative one. This pattern could continue forever, with each positive number paired with the respective negative number. Each of these groupings are equal to 0, so if we added each grouping in this sequence together, we should get 0, right? But wait, now what if we leave this first one out and group the negative one with this positive one? We could continue this on forever with each grouping having a sum of 0. So this part of the sequence would just be adding 0 over and over, but we can't forget about this one. Having this 1 gives us 1 plus all of these groupings of 0, which added together give us 1. Now we have this sum shown to equal 2 values. However, it only gets crazier from here. What if we classified this sequence as being equal to S sub g? Now, what if we subtract S sub g from 1? That would give us this. However, the right side of the equation just looks identical to our original sequence, so we can call it S sub g. Now, we can write this as 1 minus S sub g equals S sub g. Now finally, we can solve for the sum of the sequence of S sub g by adding S sub g to both sides and dividing by 2. This gives us that S sub g equals 1/2. We have just shown that there are 3 different numbers that the sum of this sequence could be. While mathematically, each of these ways of solving for the sum of the sequence makes sense, they each give us different values. One of them even claiming that the sum of integers is going to give us a fractional value. This specific sequence is known as the Grandi sequence and causes much debate among people who claim that the sum of the sequence is 1, 0, 1/2, or even that the string of numbers is meaningless and cannot be found. So, which way do you think this sequence adds up?